All right, here we go for box number 3. A couple cards I'm really looking forward to is Fresno Nightcrawlers. Obviously, Squonk. And really anything. Alrighty. Alright, so first we have the Giant Salamander, Gumbaroo, and again, I'm only going to read the ones that we haven't read in part 1 or part 2 yet. Rope-Tite, or Roperite. Alright, here's the new one. We got the Rumptafusel, which is number 52. Date of birth is 1935. GPS is USA. 16 kilograms, 1.1 meter. During winter, this fearsome critter is the bane of lumberjack's life. Then again, it's on the lumberjack for trying to wear strange fur coats they find in the forest. Artist, Michael Peckham. Another new one. Nice. We got Alien Astronaut. This is number 2. Date of birth unknown. GPS is the Milky Way. It doesn't have any weight. It's 4 meters tall. Are all alien beasties technically astronauts? Let's not think too deeply about that. Artist is Poncho. Next we have Ghost Deer. Followed by a new one, this Lava Bear. Lava Bear. Said that real weird. Number 36. Date of birth is 1917 in South Central Oregon. 16 kilograms and 0.35 meters tall. That's kind of surprising. These adorable bears might appear to be gummy, but I wouldn't risk it. Well, okay, maybe just one. What could go wrong? I bet they taste like honey and hot sauce. Artist is Brunez. No way. Next we have the Snowosset, followed by the Joint Snake, followed by Wapaloosie. Starting to get a lot of duplicates, which, I mean, it's a small set, we know that, especially in the bronze we're going to. Sewer Gator, Bunny Man, Space Penguins. That's a new one. Number 63. February 14th, 1967. Tuscumbia MO for safety, just so I don't mess up which state that is, because I'd feel really stupid. 15 kilograms, 1 meter tall. First discovered by casters who investigated claims that penguins started to fly following the shattering of the veil. Casters also found that they're incredible tap dancers. Artist is Pepper Del Luca. I want to say Montana, but I'm not 100% sure. Next is Matlocks. That's a new one for us. So we're going to go with number 4040. Date of birth is 1792, USA, 1,300 kilograms, 10 meters tall. The cursed descendants of a titan gone mad, destined to constantly eat each other and any human unlucky enough to cross its path. Artist is Michael Peckham. Interesting. Kind of has a little satyr look to him with the lower half looking like a goat. Our holo for this one is Giant Salamander. Next is Pudge Wudgie. Number 48. 1845, Massachusetts, 20 kilograms and 1 meter. According to legend, Pudge Wudgies can appear and disappear at will, lure people to their deaths, use magic, launch poison arrows, and even create fire. Or there has even been stories of these beasties possessing people. Michael Peckham. Very nice. Sliver Cat, which for the longest time I was calling Silver Cat. I think a lot of people do, from what I've seen online. Number 59. Date of birth is 1939 in the USA. It's 175 kilograms, 1.2 meters. That's a heavy cat. This poor cat dreams of easily jumping on counters and tables and knocking over glasses of water. Alas, his tail is quite heavy. Artist is Pepper DeLuca. Alrighty. Next is the black cat. This is a little less scary. Oh, here we go. Black cat silver. My next silver is Squonk. Good to go. Good to go. Number 44. No, 64. I'm sorry, 64. It is in date of birth is 1910, Pennsylvania, USA. 36.2 kilograms, 1.2 meters. Be very careful when forming a contract with Squonk. Making any sort of eye contact will result in exploding in a puddle of tears. Artist is Jojo Seams. That's our boy Squonk. Next silver is the Hoop Snake. Number 27. Date of birth is 1929 in Wake County, North Carolina. 12.2 kilograms, 2 meters. Often mistaken for a tumbleweed or spare tire, these fearsome critters are slightly less elegant than their European Ouroboros counterparts. Artist is Brunes. Next silver is the Kentucky Hellhound. Followed by Kashtaka. And then start the golds with Babe the Blue Ox. Number 3. Babe the Blue Ox, January 4th, 1937 in Bemidji, Minnesota. 12.1 tons. Wonder why I changed that. And 93 hands using horse measurements. Okay. The eternal companion of Paul Bunyan, Babe has joined him on many journeys and more perils. She is also quite the lover of delicious syrup-covered and golden brown pancakes. Artist is Brunes. All right, here's gold. Our next gold is Tizaruk. Followed by the Beast of Busco County, or Beast of Busco. Number 5. 1949, Churubusco, Indiana. Wow. Let's skip that, huh? 730 kilograms, 3.2 meters. The Beast of Busco may not be a hippo, but he is hungry. Artist is Siobhan Daly. All right. Next is our Slide Rock Bolter. Card number 58. 1910, Colorado Mountains, 32.4 tons, 1.1 kilometer. Macrostoma sexaperumptus lives only in mountains that exist at greater than a 45-degree angle of inclination. It has a particular appetite for tourists. Chris Campton. Looking good. All right, next is Midnight Escape. It's another lore card. Lore number 9. Having escaped from Quimbley's, Sam is on the run inside Lucy, his new car. The searchlights lightening up from Quimbley's ground cast a dark shadow of beasties in flight too frightening to behold. We got chapter 2 cover again. think we're pretty close to finishing this up. Roadside Diner. After Sam's heroic escape from Georgetown, he stops at a roadside diner to eat a hot dog with questionable cryptid meat. It is here that he hears about the appearance of Mothman in Loveland, Ohio, and his meal is cut short. Artist is Poncho. And finally, we have Quantum Power, which is going to end it for pack 3. Our holo was Giant Salamander. And that's going to be that.